Young Entrepreneurs Academy is to cultivate and grow tomorrow's entrepreneurs. A lot of people say you can't do this with youth this young, that they can't really learn stuff. But I say one of the great things about America is that we invest in our entrepreneurs for tomorrow.
This program has helped me achieve my dream of owning a business, and it has given me a great experience.
It was exciting to meet new people and hear about their business, which all their business was good.
You form a business plan, and in the end you pitch your idea to a panel of judges, and they judge you based on how good or how successful they think your business will be.
Even if your business doesn't take off after this, you'll still know the things you need. Not all of that's direct towards entrepreneurship. You can learn something in this that might help you with another job.
Even if they don't start their own business, it gives them an idea how business has to work. And it can only help them if they go to work for somebody else.
If you invest in the youth, invest in Danville's future.
Before the program, I really knew I wanted to do costumes for a living. That's just something I wanted to go in college with. But YEA actually helped boost it for me to get into college, because when I was going in for my interview, they only accepted, I think, 25 out of 100 and some kids that come and do the theater tech program. And when I had went into the program, I was telling her and showing her my portfolio, and she was surprised that I already made costumes before. And when I dropped that one word that I had a business, a costume making business, she was just hands down. She was like, okay, you're in the program. And so it was just a very good positive thing to add on to my portfolio that shows that I actually do have background in what I want to do, and I already have experience in the field that I want to go into.
We went to VIR and O'Kelly's to talk to the CEOs of those companies. We also had mentors come in and sort of coach us along the process.
We were able to meet new friends from different schools. It was a very fun experience.
The whole process has just been amazing. They pretty much have done everything in class from 4 to 7 through the weeks. I've just tried to assist and help when I could, but really they had everything covered, and just from conception to a lot of good feedback to the children to steer them in the right direction.
The hardest thing about tonight was me speaking up there in front of the people and everybody just looking at me. But when I see my parents come in, I was glad.
There's a lot of great competitors here, and I'm just glad I got the opportunity to compete.
Do it. It's a really good experience, and even if your parents do sign you up for it, just go with it. Because, hey, it was something I really wasn't planning on doing, and then it ended up blowing into this big thing, and it set really big goals for me in the future, and it actually did help me out long, and it's going to help me even more.
Go for it. You never know what's going to happen.